Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, I go, need a demon go, and they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time to kill it all, I just gotta get through. Just gotta get through, just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time to kill it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. Just gotta put up all my walls, cause I'm not in the mood. They wanna cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can feel it all, if you're patient and negativity. But I'll be right back, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, and it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence, and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please your ocean. I don't speak quietly, opinions violently run across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all of my mental work. Can make us work, man.
The gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling all the pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a way. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never get before. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I know they can't see me, no, man, I still go.
Gotta go, this life's a losing lives, losing. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, made it like this. So you go through, get out, they can be like less after this. I know, it's never higher just to let go. Not everyone in life has got a hate, so standing on the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no.
I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
I started to go, gotta get through. I started to go, gotta get through.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.